guys, today I'm going to do another pour with my blow dryer, but I am going to do it a little bit differently, or at least I'm going to try. Before I always like layer my colors so that they blend in, or that they blend through each other, or mix and whatever and lie on top of each other. So, but this time I would just like want one color and then that it blends a little bit and then another color. So I am going to try it. I'm not sure if it will work with my blow dryer, but yeah, it's just another experiment. So I am going to use, this is Payne's Gray that I mixed with Prussian Blue and some iridescent medium. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell you what colors I use because I hardly ever use colors just straight out of the bottle. Yeah, it's something they taught me when I was in school, that it's better not to use colors just straight like that, or that they don't prefer you do it, that you experiment, that you see what the paint does when you mix it with different colors. And yeah, so I still have that in me, so I always try to see what happens if you mix certain colors. So yeah, if you're not sure what color I use, mostly it's because I'm not even sure, because I mix this and then I add that and I'm like, oh yeah, this is cool. But the problem with that is if I have a very nice color, yeah, I don't know the ratios of what colors I use, and so yeah, for me it's always a challenge to make that same color again or replicate that color. So okay, but this one I just mixed it up and I know, and I wrote it on the bottle or on the thing here, but I guess you can't see it because it's black. Yeah, so Payne's Gray, Prussian Blue and iridescent medium. Then I have Prussian Blue that I mixed with white and iridescent medium again, because yeah, I like the shine. Then I know I am going to use this color, and this is my permanent red violet, and I'm pretty sure I add other stuff to it because it's pretty shiny as well. So yeah, I guess iridescent medium and stuff like that. I am going to use gold. This is a mixture of light gold and dark gold. Yeah, and I think I will add some orange to it just to make it pop. And I have my red here as well. This one is Winsor & Newton permanent alizarin crimson, or whatever, it's crimson red, that I mixed with primary magenta. Okay, so I'm ready to try this. So first of all, I am going to start here with my Payne's Gray mixed with Prussian Blue. So I will blow this out first. Okay, so I got my first color down. Now I am going to go for my Prussian Blue that I mixed with white. Okay. All right, let me blow that out. So I will really do color, blow it out, color, blow it out. And I will see what that gives me. Already got some waving and some lacing here, which I kind of like. Okay, now I'm thinking, okay, I'll go for my color here. My permanent red violet, and I will do all this. All right. Okay, so now over here, oops, that's not a good idea. I am going to go for gold. Okay. And I guess now I will go for the orange right here. Okay. Okay, so I think over here I will add some gold, so an orange, so that whatever is happening here, it also comes back here, so it's more balanced. So, but I do love the lacing right here, so I will start over here. And that's gold, and adding some orange in it. And some little bit over here. I am not really sure. I don't like that big part of the red, the permanent red violet. So how will I fix that? I will add some Payne's Gray. I will let it come from over here and add it all the way up here. Then I will add some of the Prussian blue and white. And let me blow that out. Okay, so now it is very dark, but I love it way much more. Yeah, that thing with the colors, maybe the areas were too big for the colors. So yeah, I actually prefer, I don't know, I just like that wavy thing in between the colors. But yeah, sometimes you want to try something new, and yeah, why not? But yeah, I love this way much better. But I still have to add a little bit of bright colors to make it pop, because now it's really, really dark. Which is not a problem. I still have my orange right here. And now I just add it all the way up here, because I love this part. So it doesn't have to be too hard. Okay, I'll check this out. I think I'll do the same over here with the gold and the orange. and just making it flow all the way there. Okay, so that will be it. It is pretty different than what I had in mind, but I do love the colors together. That Payne's grey with the Prussian blue and that gold together is so nice. I'm happy I added more orange and gold right here and this beautiful line here. Yeah, I'm happy. So we'll let this dry and see how it turns out. Because I think my paint is a little bit thick, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't want to blow more on it because the more I will blow now is the more mud I will get. So I will just leave it. I will leave it. Oh, this part is also very beautiful with that permanent red violet. It's just very shiny because of the iridescent medium. And yeah. Okay, so I will bring you closer so you can see some details, and yeah, I will show you the dried result later then. Okay, so this is the piece. I will show you this side. Look how beautiful that is. And then you got some Prussian blue right there, and then that beautiful line of the orange, which is now looking like yellow. Okay, and then over here I just love those color bursts. You know, look at this beautiful, oopsie, this beautiful corner right there. Okay, so let me know what you think. If anybody else has tried that other technique that I was trying. I don't even know if it has a name. It was just something in my head. Yeah, if you tried it and you have some tips for me, let me know. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.